Hey there, Diane here. Today I'm sharing my experience with the RMR-86, which I've been using to get rid of stubborn stains for about a year now. This spray is designed to remove the dark, deep stains that black mold and mildew tend to leave behind. It actually leaves stains that sit on the surface and even the ones that sink deeper into the material. You can use it indoors, but make sure you have good ventilation. It works on a ton of surfaces, including decks, wood, vinyl siding, drywall, concrete floors, brick walls, kitchen surfaces, and basically anywhere where mold and mildew love to grow. Just a quick note though, do not use it on fabrics. It has a strong bleach base and that can damage anything soft. One thing I love is that it starts working instantly. It targets those stubborn stains in like all the hard to reach areas. And the best part, no scrubbing needed. Just spray it on, and since it's already pre-mixed, you can use it just straight after you open the bottle. The first time I tried it, I was honestly shocked because the stains started fading within seconds. I usually let it sit for about 5 to 15 minutes and I make sure that the area stays wet the whole time. After that, I rinse it off, especially if I'm working near any hard surfaces because the product can damage them if it's left sitting on metal. For safety, I always wear gloves and eye protection, and also good airflow is a must. The smell is very strong, but the good news is it usually clears up in about 4 to 6 hours. So I keep a fan running and then I air out the bathroom for the rest of the day. And yes, it works perfectly on grout. I use it on tile, grout lines, shower walls, tubs, and even toilets. Overall, it's my go-to mold and mildew stain remover, and I'm very happy with the results. Thanks for watching.